going to discuss about what is the difference between reciprocating air compressor and rotary air compressor. Okay, so basically reciprocating air compressor, the compression of air takes place with the help of piston and cylinder arrangement with the reciprocating motion of the piston. Whereas in rotary compressor, the compression of air is takes place due to rotary motion of the lobes or blades. Okay, the delivery of air is intermediate in case of reciprocating air compressor. The pressure is high, that is pressure ratio is also high. But in case of rotary air compressor, the air is continue or delivery of air is continuous and the pressure is low. Okay, so in case of reciprocating air compressor, the flow rate is also low. The speed of the compressor is low because of unbalanced forces. Okay, so in case of rotary compressor, we can say that the flow rate is high. The speed of compressor is also high due to perfect balancing. Okay, so balancing in case of rotary compressor is perfect. Again, in case of reciprocating air compressor, it has more number of moving parts and needs proper lubrication and more maintenance. Okay, and we can say that in case of rotary compressor, the less number of moving part, so maintenance is also less. Okay, so in reciprocating air compressor, due to low speed of rotation, it cannot be directly coupled with the prime mover, but it requires reduction of the speed, and rotary compressor is directly connected with the or coupled with the prime mover. Okay, but the reciprocating air compressor use small quantity of air at high pressure. Okay, and the rotary compressor is used in case of large quantity of air at lower pressure. Okay, so we can say that in case of reciprocating air compressor, the pressure delivery is high up to 1000 bar, but in case of rotary compressor, it is up to 10 bar only. And with the reciprocating air compressor, we can have the air discharge up to 300 meter cube per minute. And in case of rotary compressor, we can have a high discharge like 3000 meter cube per minute. Okay, and in case of reciprocating air compressor, the size of compressor is large, and in rotary compressor, the small compressor, the size is small. Okay, so this is all about your comparison of reciprocating compressor against the rotary compressor. Okay.